Welcome to 23 Rogue Lane. This great home offers that Sunriver charm and is updated with lots of modern panache. Central to all that you want to do in the resort. Stainless steel appliances, granite counters, a large farm sink and great flooring elevate this rustic kitchen to current trends and convenience. Distinctive tile flooring, beadboard trim and nice pantry shelving help the laundry room make a definite statement. The open layout lets common use areas flow easily and banks of large windows allows natural light to expand the space even more. The dining area offers nice storage, an eating bar at the kitchen counter and easy access to the rear deck space. The deck spans the entire width of the home, offering great opportunities to take the party outside.